We are very happy to be in DXN private jet today. This is the second time I am traveling by DXN private jet. I would like to give the message to all the people around the globe. Everybody has an opportunity to travel by DXN private jet once you are going to attain the position of Crown Ambassador. There are companies who are having the private jets, but most often that is to the top executives. And here is a company which is taking care of even grassroots level distributor. Work hard, work seriously, and build your future. Work for your own financial freedom. Work for your time, money security. Work for your legacy, and work for ultimately to show the lifestyle to the people of the world in your private jet. Wish you all the best. Go Crown Ambassador.